Developed in Israel, computerized irrigation has been exported. In these facilities, minimal amounts of water are generating vast yields of vegetables. This greenhouse in the Netherlands is a good example of maximizing water conservation by combining high technology with Mother Nature's gift of rain.
The best water is rainwater. The rainwater is, as much as possible, collected from the roof of the greenhouse and transported through a system of pipes to two large water basins of 10,000 cubic meters each.
In a high-tech version of the small farms in Kenya, the greenhouse is divided into several water tap zones. All of the irrigation pipes are connected to a central computer that feeds measured water through them.
This computer takes care of the water supply of each individual plant. So each individual plant has its own water irrigation system. All this is driven by a pair of scales with plants on it. They measure the amount of water that's needed.
Drip irrigation allows farmers to supply fertilizer to plants mixed in with water in a process known as fertigation. This way, the plant absorbs the fertilizer directly with the water.
The greenhouse is 4.5 hectares, and we grow 65 kilos of tomatoes per square meter.
Techniques like drip irrigation suggest that we can conserve water and maintain high crop yields. But all this technology assumes farmers have access to at least modern sources of clean water.